In previous class, we have discussed about the application of Heron's formula for the problems 4, 5 and 6. I think you already understood about the where we are going to use the Heron's formula in the plane figures. Now in this class, we are going to discuss some more problems such as parallelograms, trapeziums and etc. Now we will start problem number 7. Children, see the 7th question. A kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeters and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeters and sides 6 centimeters, each to be made 3 different shapes as shown in the figure. How much paper of each shade has been used for in it? So here a kite is in the shape of a square. So here I am taking A, B, C, D is a square and its diagonal is 32 centimeters. And one more triangle is there here, 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Now I need to I am dividing the triangle in the total shape kite into 3 parts. This is one part and the second and the third. Here this is going to be diagonal. This length is given 32 centimeters. Now in a square, the diagonals bisect each other and the diagonals are equal. Then automatically OB and OD and OC and OA, all of these 4 lengths are going to be equal. That is 32 by 2 is 16 centimeters. Now I am doing the problem here. Since kite is in the shape of a square, so therefore I am taking ABCD is a square and length of diagonal is equal to 32 centimeters. In a square, diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degrees. So therefore AC is equal to BD and OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to 32 by 2 is equal to 16 centimeters. Now I am taking part 1. Therefore I am taking area of part 1. Here ABD is a triangle. Base of a triangle is equal to 32 centimeters. Height of a triangle is equal to 16 centimeters. If base and height is given, now area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 32 into 16. 2 ones are 2 16s are. That's equal to 16 into 16 is 256 square centimeters. Area of a triangle is equal to 256 square centimeters. It is 256. Then automatically area of part 2 is also same. Area of part 2. Since the diagonals bisect each other and they are equal, therefore area of triangle ACD is equal to area of triangle ABD. That's equal to 256 square centimeters. Now I am taking the third part. Area of part 3. So here CEF is an isosceles triangle. Therefore A equal to 6 centimeters, B equal to 8 centimeters, comma C is equal to 6 centimeters. By using Heron's formula, I am going to find this area. Before that, I am going to calculate semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 6 plus 8 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10 centimeters. S value is 10 centimeters. So S is equal to, I got children, I got S is equal to 10 centimeters. Now I am going to calculate area of a triangle CEF is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That's equal to 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8 into 10 minus 6 under root. 10 into 10 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 8 is 2 into 4. So here 5 into 2 into 4 into 2 into 4 as I am writing. So here 2 4s and 2 2s I am taking out, that is 4 into 2, the remaining will be under root of 5. That's equal to 8 root 5 square centimeters. So this 8 root 5 I am changing it into decimals. 8 into root 5 value is 2.24 is equal to 17.92 square centimeters approximately. Approximately I am going to get an area of 17.92 square centimeters. Hence I am going to calculate each part area. Hence paper of one color, that is part 1 color, has been used equal to 256 square centimeters. Same way paper of second color has been used is equal to same 256 square centimeters. And next is third color, paper of third part color has been used is equal to 17.92 square centimeters approximately. So in this way I am going to calculate all the 3 color papers. The first color paper area will be 256 square centimeters and second color paper area will be 256 and the third one is 17.92 square centimeters. Children, we will see the next question. Children, see the 8th question. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are in triangular shape. The sides of the triangle being 9 centimeters, 28 centimeters and 35 centimeters. See the figure here. This is the floral design and I am splitting this figure like this. So sides are going to be 28 centimeters, 9 centimeters and 35 centimeters and these two are going to be different colors. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at a rate of 50 paise per square centimeter. To polish this total number tiles, so I am paying 50 paise per square meter. Then what is the cost for this total? I need to calculate. So I am going to split this figure. So I am taking one part and expanding like this. Then automatically, so the length will be, so here it is 28 centimeters, 9 and 35. This is of one color and it is of different color. Okay, one is with blue color I am taking and one is with white color. I am going to find the area of one triangle, then automatically that same area will be the same. Here total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to the 16 are going to be present. So here I am taking sides of a triangular tile are A equal to 9 centimeters, comma B is equal to 28 centimeters and C is equal to 35 centimeters. For each triangle triangular tile, we have S is equal, now it is in the base, this is the one triangle I am taking, it is A, B, C, ABC is a triangle, so now S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is S is equal to 9 plus 28 plus 35 by 2 is equal to 72 by 2, 7 to 1 are 7 to 36 are, that is equal to 36 centimeters. Semi-perimeter of a triangular tile is 36 centimeters. Now I am going to calculate area of each triangular tile by using Heron's formula. Area of each triangular tile is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That's equal to 36 into 36 minus 9 into 36 minus 28 into 36 minus 35 under root 36 into 27, 36 minus 9 is 27, 36 minus 28 is 8 into 36 minus 35 is 1. So this 36 I am expanding 6 into 6 into 9 into 3 into 4 into 2 into 1. So in this 6 I am taking 1 and 9, automatically I am going to take 3 and 4 I am taking 2. The remaining will be 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 2 into 1, 6 to the 18, 18 to the 36, square root 6 square centimeters. Okay, this is area of one triangular tile. That's equal to 36 square root 6 square centimeters. Now total number of tiles are how many? Total number of tiles equal to 16. Therefore total area of 16 tiles is equal to 16 into 36 root 6 is equal to 16 into 36 into root 6 value is 2.45. That's total is equal to 1411.20 square centimeters approximately. Approximately I am getting a value of 1411.20 square centimeters. This is the area of this total floral design. Okay, now I am going to calculate the cost. Cost of polishing the tiles for 1 square centimeter is equal to 50 paise. That's equal to 0.5 rupees. Now cost of polishing the tiles for 1411.20 square centimeters is equal to 1411.20 into 50 paise. So that's equal to 1411.20 into 50 by 100 rupees. I am changing it into rupees. Okay. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 50 paise is equal to 50 by 100. 50 ones are 52. So that is 1411.20 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 0, 2 5s are 10, again 1.60, that is 705.6 rupees. So cost of polishing the tiles for 1411.20 square centimeters is equal to rupees 705.6. This is the answer. So children, here see. So here it is a floral design, and here two colors of tiles are present. So I am splitting this figure like this, and the lengths are given 28, 9, 35. So 35 is there, again it is 28 and 9. So I am going to calculate one tile area. That is equal to, I am going to get an area of 36 root 6 square centimeters. This is 36 root 6 square centimeters, and it is also 36 square root 6 centimeters. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to the 16. Total number of tiles are going to be 16. Now this total area of these tiles will be 16 into 36 root 6 is equal to 1411.20 square centimeters. Now for polishing this area for 1 square centimeter, I am paying 50 paise. Then automatically for my area, how much I have to pay? That's equal to 705.60 rupees I have to pay. Children, the ninth question. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 centimeters and 10 centimeters. The non-parallel sides are 14 and 13 meters. Now find the area of the field. The total area I need to calculate. So here I am taking ABCD is a trapezium, and AB length is given 25 meters, BC is 14, CD is 10, and AD is 13 meters. Now I am splitting this trapezium into a parallelogram and a triangle. Now here AECD is a parallelogram and BCE is a triangle. This is a scalene triangle. I am going to calculate the area and I am going to find the distance, because to find the area of a trapezium, the formula is half into sum of two parallel sides into distance between them. So to find this distance, first I am going to calculate the area of the triangle. So children, here I am taking ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD. Now I am drawing, so I am splitting that figure through B, through C, draw CE is parallel to AD. That means I am drawing from C, I am drawing a parallel line that is parallel to AD. So therefore CE is parallel to AD. Therefore AECD is a parallelogram. And one more is CF is perpendicular to EB. That means it is perpendicular, means it is going to be height. Therefore CF is height of a triangle EBC. Now AB is equal to 25 centimeters, BC is equal to 14 centimeters, CD is equal to 10 centimeters. Sorry, AB is equal to 25 meters, BC is equal to 14 meters, and CD is equal to 10 meters, comma AD is equal to 13 meters, comma AE is equal to 10 meters, comma ED is equal to 15 meters, and CE is also 13 meters. Since because it is a parallelogram, hence opposite sides are going to be parallel and equal. Therefore EBC is a triangle. Hence A is equal to 15 meters, comma B is equal to 14 meters, comma C is equal to 13 meters. Now I am going to calculate the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 15 plus 14 plus 13 by 2 is equal to 42 by 2. equal to 21 meters. 2 ones are 2, 21s are 21 meters. Now area of triangle EBC is equal to, by using Heron's formula, S into under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now S value is 21 into 21 minus 15 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 13. That is equal to 21 into 21 minus 15 is 6 into 7 into 8. So this 21 I am changing it into 7 into 3, and 6 I am changing into 3 into 2 into 7 into 4 into 2. 8 I am changing into 4 into 2. So here 2 7s are there, so I am taking 1 7 out. 2 3s are there, I am taking 1 3 out. 2 2s are there, I am taking 1 2 out, and 4 square root of 4 is 2. That's equal to 84 square meters. 7 3 is 21, 21 2 is 42, 42 is 84 square meters. This total area is 84 square meters. Now area of triangle. Now here height, this is going to the height. Area of triangle EBC is equal to half into base into height. Area of triangle EBC is equal to 84 is equal to half into base is EB into height is CF. That's equal to 84 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 into CF. CF is equal to 84 into 2 by 15. CF is equal to 168 by 15 is equal to 11.2 meters. Now height of the triangle EBC is equal to 11.2 meters. Now I got the height. Now I am going to calculate the area of the trapezium. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of two parallel sides into distance between them. That's equal to 1 by 2 into sum of two parallel sides is AB plus CD into distance between them is CF. Half into AB value is 25 plus 10 into 11.2. 1 by 2 into 35 into 11.2. Two ones are 2 5s are 10.6. So that's equal to 35 into 5.6. By doing the calculation, I am going to get 196 square meters. So this is the area of the trapezium. So children, by this we can conclude the chapter. Here in this chapter we have discussed about the Heron's formula, where we are going to use it is going to be used to calculate the area of triangles and area of the quadrilateral such as parallelogram, rectangle, triangle, square, every so on. Thank you.